In this demo, I'll show you how Squiz DXP helps you deliver high converting web pages faster with built-in optimization tools that let you test and refine content all in one place. This is the landing page we started building with our call to action here, which is a critical point for conversions. We want to optimize our content and run an A/B test to see what type of content leads to higher conversion rates. Now, with most CMS platforms, this requires external tools, complicated integrations, or even a developer's help. But Squiz makes it effortless with A/B testing built right in. Instead of switching to a third-party tool, you can launch optimization tools directly from the visual page builder, keeping everything in one seamless workflow. To apply A/B testing to a page, content editors can either select an existing A/B test that their team has built, or they can create a new one. In our case, let's create a new A/B test. First, let's give this new A/B test a title and a description to keep things organized so your team knows what's being tested. You can give each variant a name. In this scenario, we'll test our conversational tone for variant A and a more professional tone for variant B. Traffic distribution can be adjusted so you can control how much of your audience sees each variant. And now success metrics will determine which variant is more successful in our experiment. In our case, we'll track how many people engage with the call to action and proceed to view the registration page. One of the most valuable features is the built-in calculator, which helps you estimate how long to run your test for. It factors in your current site metrics and conversion rate, and then you put in your desired improvement, giving you data-driven recommendations so you're confident your test results are meaningful. This means you're not wasting time on tests that don't reach reliable results. Okay, now we're ready to connect the experiment. Our new test appears in the dropdown here for us to select and connect to our page. You'll notice a toggle now appears for switching between variants, starting with variant A, the original content, which is what we're looking at now. Switching to variant B, we can now create a new variant for this component. We'll duplicate the original content, which saves time instead of having to rebuild from scratch. Instead of the current conversational tone that we have here, we want a more professional tone of voice. So first we'll start with the call to action. Instead of get started, we'll show secure your spot. And beyond the call to action, the tone of voice in the body text can also impact conversions. Instead of spending hours refining copy, Squiz's generative AI content tools allow content authors to rewrite content instantly without leaving the page builder. These tools are set up by your site administrators or marketing teams to govern the use of generative AI. They allow content authors to create and edit content faster within the guardrails of your organization. For this version, I'll use AI to make the tone of voice of this text more professional and compelling. Now, I'm happy with the content for now that's been generated, so I'll replace the original text. With Squiz's visual page builder, changes are reflected instantly. So if I go in and make another change to the text, there's no need to save or reload the page to view how it will look to our audience. We can preview how each variant looks on different screen sizes. A/B tests don't just impact desktop visitors. To ensure the best experience for all users, you can preview how each variant adapts to different screen sizes, whether that's mobile, tablet, or desktop, directly within the editor while you're editing. And we can easily switch back to variant A, our original content, to compare the difference without breaking our editing flow. Now that we're happy with the changes, we can publish our page, and this test will now be live to our audience. When your experiments are finished and it has gathered enough data, you can head over to the experiment results page to see which version performed better. Over time, the winning variant will become apparent in the experiment's analytics, allowing you to optimize your digital experiences based on real user data and insights. The key takeaway from this experience is that with built-in optimization tools, you don't need a developer or external tools to test and improve your content. With Squiz DXP, you can launch experiments in minutes directly from the platform, just like I did. You can test content variations quickly with no technical setup, use AI-powered content tools to make smarter optimizations, and confidently roll out changes that drive real impact without guesswork. You get results delivered right within the platform. Check out other demos from the Squiz DXP playlist to see how to set up AI content tools, personalization, and more.